Hello friends, welcome back. So now let's go to the template hierarchy. So you can learn about each and every template files available here from this page. Okay. So let me just go through the template hierarchy here. So in this page you can see this message image. So let me just open this image. So there is a website called WP hierarchy. Okay. And I hope it's readable. Let me just little bit zoom. Okay. I think now it's okay. This icon has been okay. So this icon it's not okay. I think this would be fine. So here you can see the list of the archive templates and their hierarchy. So from here, from archive page, singular page, so like from it will flow from left to right. Okay. So for example, for archive pages, we have archive.php, which is our main template file. This one. Okay. So this template file. Okay. So here's the for archive pages. We have multiple archive, like different types of archive: author archive, category archive, custom post type archive, custom taxonomy, date archive, and tag archive. Then for author archive, we have these two other templates: author, then hyphen nice name. So you can create the template files for different authors. Like for example, my current username is Chandra, and this nice name also is the same. Then I can create author hyphen chandra.php file, and that template file will be loaded for my author only. Whenever any user you visiting my archive page, then this template will be loaded. Else it will fall back to the author id. Then you can also create the author hyphen then user id. Okay, so my user id is 1, then author hyphen 1 dot php file. So WordPress will see whether this template file have been exist or not. And if it not exist, then it will fall back to author.php. Okay, if it not exist, then it will fall back to archive.php, and if it's not exist, then index.php. Okay, so WordPress allows you to manage different different template files for the same templating. Okay, so like for the author we have multiple options to create archive pages for the authors based on their id, the name, the common author.php file, and then finally the archive.php. Okay, so depends on our designs, theme designs, layout, and everything. We can use this templates hierarchy, and very easy to like thing. Okay, so for example, let's say we have you know we want to we want to have separate like design for some authors, like for main author or for some of the popular authors. Then we can have that separate author templates based on their nice name or the id, and other authors will have this author.php file, or developers can use archive.php. Okay, then similarly for category, we have category hyphen slug, then category hyphen id, category.php, archive.php. And similarly custom post types, custom taxonomy we have. So for custom post type, they will go directly archive hyphen post type slug. So archive hyphen movie.php, archive hyphen post.php, archive hyphen person.php based on the post type slug. Okay, and for custom taxonomy, we have taxonomy, then the taxonomy slug and the term, and then taxonomy or the our taxonomy slug slash if it will fall back to taxonomy.php. Okay, so dollar term is referred to the term name or the term slug, and the dollar taxonomy refer to the taxonomy slug. So for example, we have genre taxonomy. So taxonomy hyphen genre hyphen then the what was the term called, action.php. Okay, so this template will be loaded only for action term. Then the taxonomy hyphen genre.php, then for this template will be used to render the genre taxonomy archive page. Else it will default to taxonomy.php. Then it will fall back to archive.php, and then finally index.php. So similarly you can go through the each and every templates files here to learn more about what are the template files and how it's looking, what the template file have a precedence, like higher priority, then second, then third, and the fourth, and then final. Okay, so left to right it is the higher priority, left hand side is the higher priority, you are going through the right hand side for the lower priority. So it's like a fallback. If the one template is not available, then look for a second, then third and fourth, and then the default one. Okay. And similarly for the site front page, we have front page.php. Then we have two things: page shown on front, post shown on front. Based on that, it will be a home.php file. If it's not, then index.php file. Similar. Okay. Then blog post index page directly to home.php. Then the 404, we have 404. For search results page, we have search.php. And there are some templates for embed as well, so you can also have a embed templates for the embedding. So we can, in a WordPress, we can embed a post from any WordPress site. Okay. So yeah, so this template hierarchy is very useful, so please go through it and learn more about how this template hierarchy works and what is the default one. And remembering of this template hierarchy would be very useful, so that you can customize your theme based on the content layout or for different types of content. Okay, so easily we can managing the layout and design for different types of content without without keeping all the stops conditionally into the single template. Okay, so that is very important to know. Okay, so that's about the template hierarchy, so please go through it. And theoretically also they have explained on this handbook page, so please go through it after watching this video to understand more. Okay, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Jai WordPress.